We are AMT. We develop, engineer and manufacture precision solutions with our micro-molding. Our micro-molding process enables us to create high-precision thermoplastic components with micron-level accuracy. By leveraging cutting-edge technology in our in-house tooling capabilities, we provide an innovation solution, from mold making to finished products. At AMT, we prioritize understanding your manufacturing challenges and deliver innovative ideas to address your needs. Our expertise ensures the highest degree of accuracy and precision in every part we produce. With our capabilities, we can turn your ideas into reality. Partner with us, and let us design the solution for your requirements. Count on AMT Precision, where innovation meets precision.